our District Supervisor, Dr. Thelma T. Tolentino. To our dear Principal, Ma'am Jocelyn O. Reyna. Our supportive barangay officials, headed by Barangay Captain Evangeline L. Altres. To our ever-active PTA officials, headed by Mr. Anjo Torrigoza. Dear teachers, parents, co-graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is a moment of great pleasure to welcome you all on this graduation day. Winston Churchill said, "Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage that counts." Today's occasion marks an achievement and success in our lives as graders. The moment we've long awaited, also by our parents. This is not the end, but the beginning of our new journey. The success of our primary education is a proof that we have started to shine our way for a better tomorrow. The basics that we learned will bring us to another phase to discover the beauty of learning and the importance of education. We may sometimes commit failure in our academics due to childishness and unexpected challenges in our lives. But the inner thought of it is learning from our mistakes. In spite of the odds, here we are, dressed in identical caps and gowns. A sign that we took the courage to pursue what we worked and wished for. Our theme, Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. Pilipinong nagsipagtapos, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao, reminds us that leadership is a responsibility, not a privilege. Young as we are, we need to use our gifts to uplift others, address fairness and equality, and build a better future for all. It is my ardent wish to all my fellow graduates that this graduation day is not only a time for joy, but also a moment to think of the future. Let us always remember the saying from Arthur Ashe that states, "Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can." To achieve our next goal in life, we need to dream with a positive mindset, hope for better tomorrow, and work hard with greater vigor, patience, perseverance, and devotion to God our Creator. In behalf of the graduating class on this 59th graduation rites of Bonifacio Elementary School, once again, I welcome you all and babuhay!